You must have seen movie explanation videos on YouTube. The movie explanation niche is one of the most popular viewed niches on YouTube. People making these videos are earning thousands of dollars every month by working just 1 hour a day. And if you doubt whether these channels are monetized or not, let me tell you that all these channels are monetized. And if you rewrite a movie's dialogue and added the voiceover a bit, that's enough to get your channel monetized. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make movie explanation videos. But if you escape any part of this video, you might face a copyright strike and all your hard work could go to waste. So just relax and enjoy the video. So if you want to see good results on your videos, you need to choose movies with high IMDb ratings. To find high-rated movies, simply visit this website. Scroll down and check the option Top 10 on IMDb this week. If a movie has a rating of more than 5, it's good to go. Additionally, you can search on YouTube for Hollywood movies with high IMDb ratings, or look for the names of movies that have a lot of memes being made about them. So I picked Deadpool and Wolverine from here, and now comes the part about the script. So for the script, there are two methods. Either you watch the entire movie yourself and take notes, which is very time consuming, or you can just copy it. For that, we'll go to YouTube and search for Deadpool and Wolverine movie explanation, and here you'll find the explanation for every movie. If you don't find it, you can also check in another language and easily translate its transcription from anywhere. So now I'll click on this video and go to its description. There I'll click on the transcription option, click on the 3 dots, and then select Toggle timestamps. And after that, I'll copy the entire script. And now let's go to GPT. Here I'll use a special prompt that I've created to get the best possible script, and you can access this prompt from the description. So now in this prompt, we'll add the movie explanation script. We copy it into the movie story section and click the send button. So as you can see, the script for YouTube Shorts is ready. But you can also create a script for a long video using this method. And now I would advise you to read the script once and make any necessary changes to make it more engaging. With this method, you don't need to watch the entire movie and write the explanation. Just read the script and you'll get the full idea of the movie. And now you're ready to make the video. But before that, it's time for the voiceover. And for the voiceover, I'll use 11 laps. First, you need to select a suitable voice for your script. Then paste the script into the speech box and adjust the voice stability and speed. Once everything is ready, click the generate button to create the voiceover. And after it's generated, you can simply download it from here. And now it's time to collect the videos. With my method, the chances of copyright issues can be reduced by up to 90%. So I recommended that you get movie clips directly from YouTube. For example, if I search for Deadpool and Wolverine movie clips, I'll find many different scenes. You can easily download these videos or screen record just the necessary scenes. You can also search for Deadpool and Wolverine explained. This way, you can download or screen record videos that have already explained the movie. In this case, you won't need to find the exact clips for your video because these explanation videos already have the important clips selected. Just mute the original audio of these clips and use them in your video. And finally, the magic we do in the editing software will help protect us from copyright issues. So first, import all your material into the editing software, then place your voiceover on the timeline. However, using the voiceover as is can cause you to lose audience retention, especially because of awkward silent parts. So first, remove those silent parts and then place the movie clips on the timeline. Now you need to apply the 5-second rule. For example, if you want to take a 10-second clip from a video, instead of taking the full 10 seconds, take 5 seconds from one part and 5 seconds from another part. Then delete the front and back parts. This breaks the copyright pattern and your video will fall under the fair use category. This means instead of taking the 10-second clips from the same spot, take small clips from different locations. You can also adjust the speed slow or fast and if possible flip the video. This is a great strategy to stay safe from copyright issues. And now if any of your downloaded clips have logos, you can easily hide them using a mosaic filter. And after that, I'll write the name of my movie below, then add transitions to make the video smooth and professional. And next, add subtitles, apply different filters, and add nice background music which you can easily find on Pixabay. But make sure to keep the music volume very low. So now our video is ready. Let's go ahead and check it.
Imagine this. Deadpool wants to join the Avengers in Marvel's Earth 616, but the team rejects him. Why? Because they find Deadpool's chaotic style way too much. Frustrated, Deadpool becomes a car salesman. But then comes a twist. TVA captures him and reveals that his timeline is collapsing due to Wolverine's death. Deadpool embarks on a wild journey through alternate universes, searching for Logan's variants, facing dangerous and crazy adventures, and even encountering Cassandra Nova in a dimension called the Void. But the ultimate showdown happens when the TVA's rogue leader, Paradox, plans to destroy Deadpool's reality. Deadpool and Logan risk it all to stop him and save their timeline.
So this was today's video. The method I shared with you will help you create movie explain videos easily without any copyright issues. If you follow every step in the video, you'll be successful in creating your content, and your channel will also be on the path to monetization. Remember, you just need to use original clips creatively and make your content engaging and informative. You can apply this method to any movies you like, but it's important to understand and follow copyright rules. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Feel free to leave your feedback and questions in the comment sections. I'm always ready to answer your questions. Take care until the next video.